Hi folks, Art at Leach Campers, 2727 Cornhusker Highway, where we make camping better. We got another fresh trade-in. This is one of the Solitudes, one of the most sought-after fifth wheels in the used market. This is a 2018 Solitude 684Gk. It does have the Rotoflex trail air. You can see it has the one-piece cap with the bling lights on it. This is a 4-slide unit. Come on around, 6-point hydraulic auto level. Lots of storage in this one. This is one of the main reasons people buy these, is for all this storage. This is a heated compartment. Everything in here is aluminum. This has the drop frame, which gives you more storage. Instead of just a straight frame, they actually have a stronger drop frame on this one. It's hard to see here, but right here is a port for an outside shower. So if you got your Nebraska sand, you don't want to be tracking into your coach, then you can just spray your feet off before you go in. This is the drop down steps. It is a 4-piece aluminum step. It just folds up and goes right inside your coach. This one also has the heavy axles, 8 lug nuts, has the nitrogen in the tires. This one is a 2-awning unit. And this also has the frameless windows. It's a nice upgrade on the Solitudes. Very clean, shows very well, didn't get used very much. So this side has got 2 slide outs. And this side has 2 slide outs. So it's a nice big 4-slide unit. Most of these bigger RVs have a 10-gallon hot water heater. This is a 12-gallon hot water heater. This also has 2 air conditioners, 50-amp service. Here's another shot of this inside storage, auto level. This has got a heated compartment for your work center. It does have a full filtering system, and you can do your winterization from here. You don't have to go inside. A nice feature that Grand Design does on the Solitudes is as you look under here, you can't see it hardly, but let's say you want to come over here at night and get something from the work center. There's lights that are right here, the little blue lights. They light up so that you have a little bit of a guidance so you don't bang your head on the slide out. Beautiful unit. You're going to really love the inside of it. Again, folks, this is a 2018. Come on inside. Immediately as you walk in is your work center. And this does have the tank heaters, so it's a true 4-season coach. This is a nice little coffee bar. This is a nice place. You got a crock pot or your Keurig, you can put it here. Here you have the stained glass windows. Lots of storage here. As you come around, this unit has the table and chairs. This is in the chocolate color interior with the heat and massage. It does come with 2 little swivel tables here. Center console so you can put your remotes in there. This is a trifold sofa, 3 cushion. And this does have the actual blackout shades. They're not pleats, so that's a nice upgrade. TV comes up, nice big fireplace. This is the new style kitchen. It has the new burner style, it has the new oven style, and the nice residential size microwave. Nice place to put, you never know where to put your trash can, so this is a dual trash can. We're into the 4-door refrigerator. What you notice is if you look on the floor, you see nice clean lines. You don't see any heat registers in the floor. It actually costs Grand Design just a little bit more money to put the heat registers into the walls and furniture, but it's a lot easier to clean. You don't have your Skittles and dust bunnies rolling up and down your coach as you're driving down the highway. Come on up. No carpet. You see there's no carpet through here that wears. Nice full-size shower, porcelain toilet, nice vanity with a vessel sink. This is going to show us our master bedroom. It does have the second air. It is thermostatically controlled. There's a nice window above the headboard. And then as you come in, here's another slide here, as well as the main slide. The whole bathroom and bedroom slides out. You do have your television here. Nice big area here if you want to have a washer and dryer set up, but you also have area for shoes and your hanging clothes. Very nice, clean coach. We'd love to have you take this one home. This is Art at Leach Campers. where we make camping better. Thank you.